Well, Drake Henderson from Northern Tribe Outdoors. No, I'm just joking. It's my dad's intro. He is unfortunately not here with me today. I'm hunting solo. He got exposed to the Rona, so he's taking the week off, which unfortunately it is the last week of the season, last day, so there are a ton of people out here. There were at least 8 trailers at the ramp, and I've heard a ton of shots from different people up different spots of this area, all over the place. So we'll see what's flying around, or if they just kind of hunker and leave. I don't know. Haven't had this much pressure here in a long time, at least that I know of, since I've been here. So yeah, should be a good time. Last week of the season, trying to get some stuff done. I got some 4 over here. They're swimming away from me, probably because I'm talking. But we'll see how it goes. I'll turn you on if the ducks start flying. Oh, I don't know why I clicked on that first shell. It was nauseous. Well, done with this shell. Sinking dud. Tried it twice. Look at this. Some nice teal that came in. Oh, would have had the drake too. Hit another stupid dud shell. Huh. Didn't look like a light strike. He got hit pretty good. Well, got a nice hen pintail. I gotta be careful. I de-pintail now. It's always fun when they're your first bird of the day. The rest of the day is super stressful. Yay, here we go. Ooh. I don't like that. Yeah. Band on her. Oh my word, what? No band on her, but look, she's missing a foot. Old injury, nice and healed over. And she only has 1 foot. That's weird. Well, as teal do, randomly come in. He's dead. Randomly came in, couldn't get the camera on. Got a nice drake. Still a little twitchy, but got a nice drake out of the flock. My gun's a little sticky. I forgot to clean it from last week, so I'll be battling that all. Oh no, we're good. We're gonna be battling that all day. Got to make sure my first shot counts, but that's probably good training for me anyways. So we're at 2 on the board. Not been bad so far. Please don't be pintail. You're pintail. They really are just mocking me now. Ugh. Cool, got them come down to the decoys. Good night, man. 2 drakes and a hen. Those are nice looking drakes too. They look funny trying to look at me though. Please don't be pintail. Oh my word, you're pintail too. just sick. I could have limited on Pintail by now. Oh look, they're coming back around. Taking those a little earlier. Oh, hello. Oh, Pintail. Oh, man, these Pintail, they are just tempting fate. Goodness, man. Jeez. I almost just snapped up and shot that thing. More locked up over the top of me. My word. Oh, it's just another Pintail. Yes, sir. Dagnabbit. Take the live decoy for a while. Figured out why my gun keeps jamming. Too much mud. But moved up to the grass here at the log, so hopefully mud should go away. I don't have any water here to rinse it off. This is all salt water. You don't want to give your gun a salt water bath. It'd be terrible. So you just get to deal until you get home. Try and keep as much mud out of it as possible. It's a trick and a half. Trying to find a place to clean off the shells that's not muddy. Also difficult. Oh, here comes some teal. And like teal, out of nowhere, gone. turned it off as a teal was buzzing me, which I did not see. Stupid things. He landed just across over there, so we'll see what he goes, where he goes, and what he does. That's a pretty good shot right there. Oh no, it's a wigeon, right? Yeah, I think. Man, I'm not sure. Oh, almost shot that one, but then realized it is a hen. Pintail. These things, they keep testing fate, man. It's not gonna turn out well for them. So, made a small move. Birds wanted to fly in between the two channels, and there's a lot of wind, sorry. So I dragged the wigeon to the right, pintail, and mallards on the left with the sills over there. And they like to fly just right here, so hopefully they'll fly. We'll see how it goes. Not gonna be a very long move. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna stay out here with this junk going on. Tide's about to switch and go out. Ugh. Good luck seeing, sorry. Raining, and as they do, teal randomly swooped in. Sorry, missed it. But he's right over here. I'm gonna go get it.